He's finally here.
Was this one stuck in the Suez Canal?
This was stuck. What was that boat called?
The Ever Given.
The bloody Ever Given. I think Claiming Souls, and this is one of them. These high-tech little... Mate, German engineering at its finest. Little box locks. What colour we got? Oh, baby. Look at that. Power meter, mate. Nice one. Bloody road guy. Data guy. For intervals, my favourite. Oh, just a box of miscellaneous. That is schmick. I'm just gonna put this on. Look at the colour, man. Hey. Oh! Scratch her up. Old Butterfinger's scratching up the fresh rig. Before I got me protective. Before I got my dyed bro protective on. That's fast. That is fast. This is going to be my EWS race bike probably. Or will it? Will I still be on the Spectral? Who knows? Stay tuned for the next vlog where Steve will break down the two bikes and tell you what one I should ride.
Oh fuck, that's a big question, eh?
Dude, every time I put up a video, someone asks me if I'm riding that or the Spectral. I don't know, man. I've been waiting for this bad boy so I can do back-to-back laps. So now, I'll be able to tell you soon. But I'll show you the best part about this. Come here. Fresh socks. Fresh socks. That will make a man smile, eh? Look at all those. I'll savour these freshies for a long time.
For race day socks?
Yeah. Alright. This is what I've been waiting on. Bloody another victim of the COVID was the Zeb fort. I'm just gonna get this out of the road. Make me grease gun shit the bed. It's probably just empty or something. Wait, I'm gonna have to go old fashioned here. Lather it up. We've got the custom little spacer here to slacken out the horse. Lift the front end up a bit, slacken it out. Custom. How am I going to run that with no steerer? It's going to be so high. Look, I've changed my ways. And I'm running a bit less stack now. But I'm not 100% sold on it. So I'm going to have to use this big dirty steerer for a while. What do we got on that? Quick reach around. Just whack the dog, eh? But the Zeb's obviously a way bigger axle to crown. So I don't know how much stack I'm going to run yet, so I've got to run this big dirty chin duster for the first couple rides until I realise where I want me bars. I'm just trying to line these up because Stagsy just gave me a grilling for putting them on backwards. Is that nice?
Oh yeah, they look better that way.
Is that good? Alright.
You reckon
Yeah,
big at the bottom and smaller at the top?
Oh, okay. Righto, champion.
All about the OCD, mate.
Yeah, far out. Excuse that little ugly bit of spacer on top. It will be gone once we figure out the bar height. Okay, 5 mils, 4 mils. Mate, just nip that up. We'll get to the pinch box when I get the wheel on. Get this bad girl in. I'm guessing that means up. The chinny. Mate, got the big 220 mounts. Because I like to be able to stop on command. I don't like messing around with these little 200s, you know? Oh. This tool's been through the ringer, dude. I reckon I've had this since I was about... It's probably like 16. That means I've absolutely abused it for 11 years. Normally these don't last that long. Normally the ends snap off them. Or maybe I'm just a hack. It's highly likely.
This one's pretty good.
Bit of a hack on the tools. But that's alright. It's not my expertise. Face. Alright. Rear axle there. Look at that oil slick cassette. That is trick, mate. Trick. I'll have to get a chain to match it. After Corona, but can't get anything while Corona's on. Corona took everything. The greedy bastard. Literally everything. Bike related anyway. Whooshka. Front wheel. Oh, that's a bit dry, that axle there. Lather it up. Mate, always grease up your axles. You do want to be able to pull them out when you go to change your tyres. Knit that up nice. Don't want that coming off, boy. If you want a wheel coming off, you want your back wheel to come off. We won't put the power meter on today because we're running out of daylight. I'll whack that on another time. It's not very exciting anyway. Fresh pedals. And the seat and battery. Mate, clipping me. Put the heart in my seat post. Oh yeah. It's the click, eh? Like all those bike build videos, they're just like click, snap, psh. You gotta have all the noises, bro, for your bike build video. That's what the viewers want to see. Yes! Oh boy. Those noises. We've already got air in the tyres. And then another thing I'm going to whack on is the velocity hucking system Bro. Just for a bit of quiet, but also it's getting dark, so I don't want to rush it. I'll do it when I get back. But that's cushy, boy. That is cushy. Gonna be silent as.
That's like sticking a shorty onto your chainstay.
Yeah, pretty much, eh?
Wet screen?
But this is like the old 42A slow Rize compound in the 26-inch DHF. Like, couple runs, mate. Bubble gum. Alright. I'm really sorry to do this to your eyes, but we've got a red set of pedals going on a green bike because these are my last set. I'm all out of black pedals. They're on the downhill and the Spectral. They actually need new pedals as well. They look thrashed. But yeah, I'm gonna have to do it to you, sorry. Stagsy's pointed out that it's got red wheels, so I think it's okay. Something to match. Can't be too sad. Make sure you put grease on the pedals as well. Otherwise, they don't come out. And I learnt that the hard way. They're just teasing me with a rainbow link. Normal chain, rainbow link. Like, oh, you could have this, but you don't. But nah, alright. So we're going to ask the viewers, what do you think of the red pedals on the green bike? Are the red decals on the wheels enough to pull it off and the crank? If you like the red pedals on this bike, comment Steve-O's a mad dog in the comments below.
I reckon everyone likes them. Everyone thinks the red goes then. He won't get an appearance fee for this.
Fuck no. That guy's just raised his appearance fee through the roof after 2 videos. And we kind of have the viewer to blame because they're just frothing on Steve-O too much, so yeah.
If they want Steve-O, they got to pay for it.
Well, we're going to have to set up a GoFundMe to get Steve-O to all the vlogs in the future because, mate, I'm breaking the bank trying to get this guy to show up. It's just not, it's not plausible. It's not feasible. Alright, let's get this seat height. This has got to be the hardest thing, dude. Getting this straight, like, no matter how straight you think it is, once you tighten the bolts, it's always bent. So, just hot in, we've had a ring in from Matt Staggs. He said, if you line up the bar and the crown, it's easier. And, look, I am liking this method. Cheers, Staggsy. More than just a pretty face. More than just a cameraman, eh? He's quite the mechanic.
Not just a vlog guy.
Yeah, not just a vlog man. Nah, edit. Don't lower yourself to that. You're an edit guy. Vlog guy. You could literally give a pelican a camera and he can film a vlog, dude. But the edits that you create, mate.
But like and subscribe to the vlogs.
But yeah, like and subscribe to the vlogs. Exactly. People don't care how they're filmed because they get to see Steve-O in his natural habitat.
Where is Steve-O today?
Steve-O right now, dude, he's swinging off the deck at home. I was helping him.
Steve-O!
Come! And then, I think he had to work this up. He's a nurse.
Oh, the dog. Helping people out.
Yeah, he's a mad dog, like. So, we're gonna have to slide that back just a little bit. know, but I haven't ridden a Strive in too long, eh? Hold up. I think that's like spot on there actually. Straighten her up. Bit of air in the forks, and I think we'll be good. Shock's all good. Oh wait, that. Yeah, shock seems fine. Pretty sure I ran like 80 PSI in these last year, but that was with a different amount of tokens, so I'm just gonna have to wing it for today.
How many tokens you got in here?
I haven't checked this, but I had 3 in my fork last year. Or 3.5 maybe. We were getting real technical.
Some bush mechanics.
Tommy was cutting them in half. Mate, we don't mess around. Yeah, that's a nice little feature, that. A little tilt screw. I like it pretty flat though, so I'm going to run it right there. That's nice. Hey, I'm going to be protecting my ride with Died Bro. Sponsor plug. Shout out to my boy Iago for hooking it up. We've got... What do we got? Where does it say there? Oh, that's the matte one. Not really a fan of matte. Gloss, that's nice. Gloss clear. We've got the Aussie Bushfire fundraiser one. That one's pretty hectic. Got koalas and dad on it. And we've got... Oh, that's me, boy. It's like a gloss glitter. That's what I'm gonna run. Give her a dust off with your best hoodie. Alright, this is crucial, this bit. Whatever you do, don't mess it up. This is my first time, eh? I'm guessing you just go for it. Don't get your grubby mitts on the sticky bit, eh? Maybe I should just start it like this. You reckon, or?
Just make sure it's straight.
Yeah.
You're just gonna go
That
right
look
up
pretty.
here.
Bit more, you reckon?
Yeah, I'd say right up at the... Yeah, right there.
Alright. Does that look straight here?
Looks pretty good.
And then I'm just going to do the old pull back like that. So far so good. Ooh. Little bubble there. Not very nice. I'm not sure if you're supposed to do this, but I'm going to curve it all the way up. Alright. Now what we're going to do is we're going to work it out. That little sparkle's a nice touch, eh? Oops, sorry. Even any sharp corners can peel off. Kev's wrap tips 101. Sharp corners will indeed pull off. That is nice. Very nice. Alright, we're running out of time, so I'll put the... What else we got? I'll put these other little bits and bobs. Is that just a down tube one? I did not read the instructions.
Yeah.
Down tube. We got the down tube and we got the chain stand stuff. I'll put them on later because we're running out of time.